This is the new Eufy C220 door lock. The knob I bought separately, it did not came with the Eufy lock. This is 8 batteries, so runs for quite long time. The old lock had only 4 batteries. This lock has the fingerprint sensor. It's very responsive. You can even lock it with the fingerprint. So that locked the door. To unlock, I believe you can directly touch the fingerprint sensor. Yep, it did unlock. You can have probably 10 plus fingerprints. So this looking great, working great, very fast door lock. This is the Eufy door lock. This lock is the old version. How to paint it here on the spots. For installing this, how to drill here and here one hole, and also on the back side.